President Nikki, Mr. Sunil Kesi, guest of honor, Deputy Chief of the Mission, Dr. Pandey, ambassadors from both sides, both Mr. Singh, Nepal and India, Mr. Manjit Singh and Mr. Durgesman Singh, President, keynote speaker, Dr. Bindu Lohani, uh, CNI President, Chamber President, office bearer and members of Nikki, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. It is a pleasure to be here with you today at the 31st Annual General Meeting of the Nepal India Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I thank the Nikki for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to share a few thoughts on the very important partnership of Nepalese economy. First of all, I would like to sincerely congratulate Nikki for this consistent and meaningful work over the past three decades. FNCCI has played a vital role in the strengthening the business relation between Nepal and India. Through the regular dialogue, policy advocacy, business forum, and the political support to investors and traders, Nikki has helped build the trust between the private investor of our two countries. Nikki has been a strong bridge between government and businesses, and this role is more important today than ever before. Nepal and India share the unique relationship. We have open borders, deep cultural ties, and the long history of the economic cooperation. India is, India is the Nepal largest trading partner and one of the biggest source of investment. Many Nepali businesses depend on India for raw materials, technology, logistic, and market access. At the same time, Nepal offers the India opportunity in hydropower, tourism, agro-processing, manufacturing, and service sector also. Nikki has helped the both sides understand these opportunity better and turn them into the partnership, real partnership. I will also like to appreciate the Nikki for focusing not only on the big business but also on the small and the medium enterprises. SMEs are the backbone of our economy. When they grow, jobs are created and the local economy become stronger. Nikki's efforts to support the SME, promote joint venture, and encourage the cross-border investment deserve special recognition. From the perspective of the Federation of Nepalese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we see the Nepal-India economic cooperation as a key pillar for Nepal growth. FNCCI work closely with the government of Nepal to improve the business and the investment environment, and we also engage actively with our counterpart in India. We strongly believe that closer private sector cooperation can help the both country benefit from the regional and the global value chain. Nepal today is at the important stage of economic transition. The government is giving the priority to economic growth and the private sector lead the development. There is a growing focus on the improving the law, policies, and the procedure related to the investment, trade, and industry. Recent reform aim to make the doing the business easier, more transparent, and more predictable. Nepal offers the attractive investment opportunity. Our hydropower potential is well known and the cross-border energy trade with India is already becoming the reality. Tourism is another major area with opportunity in hotel, resort, cable car, wellness center, and advanced tourism, agro-processing, IT, and the digital service. Manufacturing and the infrastructure development also other strong potential. With the right partnership, this sector can grow faster and create long-term value. At the same time, we are aware of the challenges issues related to the logistic, trade facilitation, regulatory clarity, and the access to the finance still need attention. FNCCI continue to raise this issue with the government, and we are encouraged that the government listen to the voice of the private sector. A strong platform like NICI help the ensure that the concern related to bilateral trade and investment are discussed in a constructive way. Looking ahead, I believe there is a great scope to deepen the Nepal-India business cooperation. We should focus more on value-added trade, joint manufacturing, technology transfer, and skill development. We should also encourage the more Indian investment in Nepal and support the Nepali businesses to integrate it the better with the Indian supply chain. Regular dialogue like the one NICI promotes is essential for this. I would again like to congratulate the NICI on successful completing the 31st years of the service to the business community. I also extend my best wishes for the success of this AGM. FNCCI remain the committed to working closely with NICI to promote the trade, investment, and economic cooperation between Nepal and India. I wish you all a very productive meeting and continued success in the year ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you.